else is busting it up.
I told you, fuck. Hey, any hot chicks on the train?
Yeah, there was actually this cute fucking redhead with some big old titties.
A cute redhead was good. See if you go catch the redhead with big old titties.
What the fuck?
Catch the redhead, big old titties.
She was catching.
Dude, what happened to your car? Why the fuck you driving the train?
From
You couldn't pay your car note? They repossessed it?
long story. Long story.
They repoed your shit, huh?
No, it ain't like that. It ain't
No.
like that.
Hey,
Let me
points
see.
not pay your bills,
You
bro?
got drunk and you parked it somewhere and they fucking towed it.
Hey, points not paying your bills, bro?
No.
What's going on?
You're more on it with the drunk and not remembering where I parked it.
Great.
That's
Yeah.
closer, yeah.
No, drunk and he doesn't remember where he parked it.
Yeah.
His car's somewhere, he just doesn't know where.
Oh,
Shit, it might
yo,
be
is this girl crazy?
She's not a redhead, though, bro. That's not the girl you're talking about.
She's like a bum.
She doesn't look like a bum. Hey! Are you up? Oh, she's not. Sorry, my friend here said you were a bum.
Excuse me.
Hey.
Is it really that cold out?
I have a train to catch, so I don't know.
Oh, hold on. You dropped some money. Is this your 10? I think you dropped it.
I don't know if I dropped it. I don't carry cash, to be honest with you.
I mean, it says your name on it. What was your name?
Lena.
Oh, it says Hamilton, but are you
Close
sure
enough,
that
right?
do people call you Hamilton?
You know, sometimes.
Okay,
That was a
here. I think
nickname
this is
in middle
yours. It
school.
has your name on it. Here, can you grab it? Don't be scared. I'm just giving you money. I mean, what's the big
Like,
deal?
I got a train to catch. I really like. I appreciate this, but
Hey,
like,
look, you missed it. Run, go.
Listen. What are you doing? Why are you taking the train? Do you not have a car or?
what? No, I do. I just, I like to save gas.
Listen, we're doing a show on, basically what people will do for cash. Are you interested? It's like a little internet show we got. We're just trying to see what people would do, you know?
What people will do for cash? Is that like
Yeah.
what would you do for a Klondike bar or like?
Like, I mean, will you hop on one foot for another $10? I mean, unless you're not coordinated like that.
I mean, you know what? Look, check this out.
Wait, do that again. I didn't catch it. I didn't see it. Oh, save perfect, $10.
All right, I gotta go.
Awesome.
So.
No, hold on. There's more money where that came from. Would you like to make some more money?
For what?
Do you know who is on the $20 bill? Who's on the $20 bill? I'll give you $20 to answer that.
Jackson?
Shit, you got it right. Fuck. What are you, like a brainiac or something? You got a
I
brain?
read. Sorry.
Little nerd?
Didn't mean to thwart your plan.
Yeah, no, it's good though. It's good. It makes for good internet.
Look, okay, this is really cool and everything, but I don't think I can.
Listen. Okay, the train. Fuck the train. We'll give you a ride to work. Where do you work?
It's downtown. Like, it's
Downtown,
kind of a
that's
ways.
fine. We
Like,
got plenty of gas. I'll give you a ride, free ride. Matter of fact, you don't have to pay for that fucking.
I mean,
train.
dude, like the ticket's not that much. Like.
Okay, well listen, I know you got some extra cash there, but there's more money where that came from. We'll give you a ride and you just answer some questions and play a little bit of game, play some more, see, maybe try and win some more money.
I mean,
Who's on the 100?
Who's on 100?
Benjamin. I really don't.
What's his last name though?
What, Franklin?
Shit! Yo, she's good.
I try. Look,
Alright, well, listen.
I'm gonna be late for work. Like, I
Oh,
really.
you want your 100?
What do I have to do for it? Like, come on. What? Hop on the other foot?
Look, just open the van. There's nothing in here, okay? There's no whips, chains, no fucking handcuffs. Just open the van. Go ahead, open the door. Look, open the door. You can take a look inside. There's nobody here, and come back. See? There's nothing in there, right?
I mean, I guess, yeah,
Nice
but
seat for you. We have seat belts. So we'll give you a ride. I'll get you there faster than that train would.
I
Well,
really
that's probably
don't.
not true.
I don't think I could just
Sorry,
like
that's a
hop in a
lie.
van with three strange guys. Like, I don't.
We're not strangers, okay?
I mean, you're kind of. I mean, like, we've made acquaintances
Dude, would
at
I
this
film
point,
it if
but
I was gonna do something bad to you? Would I be filming it? That's some creepy shit.
I mean, you never
And would I
know.
pick you up at a train station where they got cameras everywhere, getting our plates? Come on,
Motherfuckers are
think about
crazy.
it.
I don't
Think
know.
about it.
I don't know your motives. I mean, like.
Listen, you're trying to be too smart for me. Just get in the van. All right, just get in the van. I'll give you a free ride. You don't have to pay for that. train, and you try to win some extra money. Don't you want some extra money? How much do you make an hour right now?
That's none of your business.
Okay, well, it's probably crap because you're driving this fucking train because you don't want to spend money on gas. So I don't know, you must not make that much. So that money you got in your hand, you probably made up for, that's probably your whole paycheck for today. So get on in, we'll hook you up, everyone will be happy. It'll be nice. Come on, I have AC in here so you could really be cold instead of,
Yo,
I'll give you a reason to wear the jacket.
You know,
Instead of being out here in a sunny, palm tree filled sun with a beanie and a
That's really not that
hat
cool.
and boots.
Okay, all right. You know, you sold me on that because this jacket's fucking hot. So
Get on in. We got AC.
fucking
Yeah, get in. Get in. Nice. Hello? Hello?
Wow.
Awesome. So you said what, downtown?
yeah, downtown.
All right. So we'll start heading that way, and you can give us.
Hey, I'm
directions.
Sean. I didn't see you. Were you on the same bus? Were you on the 68?
She was getting on the train.
I just got on. Yeah.
Oh, you're getting on
She
the
was
train?
getting on
Got
the
out of
train.
my car. That was,
He's not that bright.
Yeah, he's
though.
not that bright.
It's
I wouldn't have
alright.
won any of those bets you guys
Yeah,
were
he
doing.
didn't. Yeah.
President
So-
Franklin was